Hello guys, reflection of light, video 4 question. Today we have solved some question. Question number 1. If refractive index of glass is 1.65, what is the speed of light in glass? Here given refractive index of glass means n is equal to 1.65. Velocity of light in glass find out करना है और and we know that the speed of light in air or vacuum 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. The formula of refractive index is n is equal to c upon v. The ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum upon speed of light into a medium. Here the medium is glass. So n is equal to c upon v. We calculate v. V is equal to c upon n. Putting the value v is equal to 3 into 10 के power 8 upon 1.65. Divide 300. This can be right 300 by 165 into 10 के power 8. 165 by 1. Time फाइनल है 0. 8 5 40 to 0. 8 6 48 और 3. 8 5 40. 4 8 6 48 और 4 52. 8 1 8 और 12. This 1.8 into 10 के power 8 meter per second. Okay. Next question. How much time will light take to cross 2 mm thick glass pan if the refractive index of glass is 3/2? Means we have to calculate time. T find 2 mm thick glass pan means distance travel the light 2 mm glass and given 3/2. To calculate time, we have to calculate the speed of light in glass pan v and c below 3 into 10 के power 8. Then n is equal to c by v. V is equal to c by n. The value of c 3 into 10 के power 8 and 3/2 is cancelled. This comes 2 into 10 के power 8 meter per second. Means the speed of light in glass pan में टुकड़ा. So this comes 2 into 10 के power 8. We know that speed is equal to distance is equal to speed upon time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Here distance is millimeter and here distance meter. This one convert into meter. How much? 2 into 10 के पावर -3 मीटर। 2 into 10 के पावर -3 अपॉन 2 into 10 के पावर 8। दिस वन कैंसिल। 10 के पावर 8 टेक द न्यूमरेटर, तो 10 के पावर -2 into 10 के पावर -8। दिस कम्स -3 -8 10 के पावर -11 सेकेंड। Next question number 3. Refractive index of glass and water with respect to air. With respect to air are 3/2 and 4/3 respectively. What will be the refractive index of water? Water with respect to glass means here is given A and G. A and G means the refractive index of glass with air. 3/2 refractive index of water. 4/3 we have calculated G and W. G and W means refractive index of water with respect to glass. W and G ये calculate करना है। W and G is equal to A and W upon A and G. This is the formula. This time this formula is very important. So G and W is equal to A and W 4/3 और A and G 3/2. Solve it 4 into 2 upon 3 into 3. That equals G and W is equal to 8 upon 9. Means the refractive index of water with respect to glass is equal to 8 upon 9. Array of light. Next question number 4. A ray of light strikes the surface of a transparent medium at an angle of incident 60 degree and get refracted into the medium of an angle of refraction 45 degree. What is the refractive index of the medium? So first we calculate refractive index of medium. The given angle I is equal to 60 degree, angle R is equal to 45 degree, and is calculated using Snell law. N is equal to sin I upon sin R. Substitute the value of I and R at the place of I and R. So sin 60 upon sin 45. Okay. Sin 60, value of sin 60. You have already studied in trigonometry. Sin 60, I think 1/2, and sin 45 under root sin 60 under root 3/2, and sin 45 under root 1/2. This comes, this 2 comes down, this 2 comes upward. Under root 3 into 2 upon अंडर रूट 2 अंडर रूट 3 अपॉन 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 2 means under root 3 into under root 2 upon 2 is cancel under root 2 n is equal to under root 3 upon under root 2 under root 3 value 1.732 और अंडर रूट 2 वैल्यू 1.414 ठीक है। आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग these two value you will get 1.22 अंडर रूट 3 की वैल्यू 1.732 और अंडर रूट 2 की वैल्यू 1.414 तो आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग 1.732 दिस कैन बी राइट decimal 3 न्यूमरेटर 3 डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल आउट अब इसमें इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए तो आपको ये मिलेगा इसका आंसर